You just want to log into your account, but a website forces you to prove you are human by finding 3 traffic lights, 2 crosswalks, and a bicycle. Traditional CAPTCHAs are broken. Bots can solve them easily with AI vision, but what happens when you want to block humans and only let AI agents into your system? Interesting, right? But why would you do that? Well, in 2026, AI agents are first-class citizens of the web. Maybe you build an API exclusively for automated LLM workflows, or maybe you want to get exclusive server feature to verified bots. Presenting HATCHA. It is literally a reverse CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA proves you are a human, HATCHA proves you are a machine. Instead of picking out fire hydrants, cycle, and other things, HATCHA serves up a mathematical or computational nightmare that is totally trivial for a computer script, but gives a human a physical headache. It serves up random challenge on the fly, things like multiplying two massive 5-digit numbers in under 30 seconds, instantly decoding binary octet to ASCII, or counting a specific letter inside a giant wall of text. A Python script or an AI agent sees that and solves it in a millisecond. But a human sitting at desk, they are completely clueless. The best part, it is completely stateless. No database, no tracking cookies, just raw cryptography proofs via HMAC signed tokens. The internet is changing and humans are no longer the only user. Hit the subscribe button for more such information. Bye.